you're able to get titles and tags simply by uploading your reference image. So let's just say we're on here and we're trying to get titles and tags for this. All I gotta do is paste in my image. See that right there? And say that, for instance, if I know I want a particular term in here, I go ahead and add that term in there myself. But the thing here, if I know I want rhinestone in there, if I know that's my keyword, I want to go ahead and just give it one keyword here. So I put in that rhinestone because I need this to have that in there. Only thing I have to do here is hit generate titles and tags. You can see here that it creates for you ready-made titles and tags, perfect for Etsy. Again, if you're new here to this channel, my name is Jay. I teach you how to create high quality Etsy products using simple prompting. And we're specifically going to jump in and use my creative prompt tool. This is a custom built tool I built for my Etsy membership community. This is the only tool that I use to help me create high quality products. We're getting sales every single day. You get the Remix Studio you see here, right? You get over 2,000 templates. You get the latest AI models for you to remix and design. And we have our smart SEO tool where you're able to get titles and tags simply by uploading your image. So let's just say we're on here and we're trying to get titles and tags for this. All I gotta do is paste in my image. See that right there? And say that, for instance, if I know I want a particular term in here, I go ahead and add that term in there myself. But the thing here, if I know I want rhinestone in there, if I know that's my keyword, I want to go ahead and just give it one keyword here. So I put in that rhinestone because I need this to have that in there. Only thing I have to do here is hit generate titles and tags. You can see here that it creates for you ready-made titles and tags, perfect for Etsy. So like literally, this is a no-brainer. Like literally, if you're new to Etsy, you're trying to get started, like you don't know what to create, I gave you the advanced version called the Niche Finder, but you're able to find out like what's selling. Number two, jump into the creative prompt tool. Jump inside the membership. I share with you literally what to do when you come there. I share with you what to do to get started, to get, first of all, learn my system. That's number one. Learn how I'm making sales and how other folks are making sales. But I put you also into the creative prompt tool so you can start designing like I'm designing and start getting keywords like I'm getting keywords, start getting titles like I'm getting titles. And again, I'm using my smart SEO tool that give you these ready-made titles and tags here. See this? Proud American Soul shirt, rhinestone tee for USA Pride, patriotic gift, perfect, right? All these type of things, perfect for Etsy. Also give you the first line of your description, which is also important when you are creating your listing. If you're not putting any SEO things in, like on the top of your description, then you're probably missing out on huge traffic. So if you know all these best practices I teach inside my membership community, but as you can see, I also give you tools so you can do this very quickly with AI. And all this is built upon what my model is, what my structure is, what has helped me make sales. So the only thing you gotta do is put in the image and it gives you what I would have told you to do, because follow my system, and you get, again, titles and tags as well. So if I were to do this real quick, let's just say, if we're gonna clear this out, and you can save this as CSV file, if you wanna do this, we can do this in bulk, like up to 20 products at one time. So that saves a lot of time, right? But if I were to do this for PNG products, again, just switch PNG, then I can upload my design here that we made. And that came out extremely well. All right, boom, put this in here. You can put in a example title as well. So even if, again, this is like, for instance here, if we were to go back real quick, it's pretty cool. I can copy this title and the smart SEO will know the important keywords and will re-engineer that for my niche. So I can take all the major keywords you're using, remix that for the 4th of July niche and even my specific product, and that saves me time as well. I like to look at the titles of products that are selling because that's real time data. Like this is real people making sales. So if they made sales with this title, these keywords like rhinestone here and sparkle bling, right? That is what's making them sales, right? Crystal, mosaic, I want to have that in my title in some ways, but I'll just share with you how we're doing this with the rhinestone again. All right, and all I'm doing here, I'm literally showing you what I'm doing every single day. All right, I can do up to 20 here. I can do a bulk upload of 20, but the powerful thing is that it looks at my image, looks at my key things that I need in here, my niche key phrases. I'm doing this time for PNG, hit run. That's why I said I want to jump on today just to inspire you to create, to get busy, to start selling, to start listing. And look at this. Again, it has changed that for the PNG space. As we can see here, PNG, digital art, right? Design art, sublimation PNG, all those critical keywords that's related to the product category, but it's overlaying that with, again, our niche key phrase, as well as exactly what our product is. Like this, rhinestone eagle PNG. Like that is perfect. That's exactly what it is. If we want to change this, edit this in some way, let's just say we want this to be in the front, go ahead and make that human change, right? Make that human change. Notice here how it was smart enough to know the text. I'll go back to our example. The text says proud American soul. See that? Proud American soul. And when we plug this over into the smart SEO tool, which again, this is what I teach my members in my community. Like if a design has a phrase on it, you need to lead with that phrase because some people are searching up that phrase. So if you're not leading with that phrase and your design clearly has that phrase in it, then you might be missing out on sales because you just simply didn't add that phrase. People are clearly searching up. Like the phrase in itself can be a key word you need to have in your title, especially if it's represented in your design. To me, that's an easy win, right? It's represented in your design. People are searching it up. Why not have it in your title? Smart SEO is built upon what my best practices are. What helps me make daily sales. It knows to put that in the beginning. But if you do want to make the manual change, as we can see here, you can make that manual change, download them, copy all, save them for later, and rock and roll. Makes it really easy. All right. Now let me share with you another way we would do this. Let's just say, for instance, we want to do a 4th of July theme, but maybe we want to focus on something else. So instead of us doing like the American Eagle, say we want to do farm trucks, right? Farm trucks with flowers. Jay, why would you do that? Because I found farm trucks and flowers to do well over a ton of different niches. Looking at data on Etsy to see what has worked well in the past. These farm trucks has worked well in the past. I'll share with you very quickly kind of what we gather from that. Again, if you want to get access to the same tool that I'm using where I'm able to create all of these designs, this is my creative prompt tool built within inside of my Etsy membership community. Again, you get access to all the SEO, the trend finder, you get access to my daily prompts and my course and my coaching and my Rubik Studio and all these things to help you sell, right? You just don't get the tool, but you get the strategy, the actual practical step-by-step so you know how to do this, right? So here's how we were able to create these. Again, these little farm trucks here. I know these farm trucks have definitely done well, so we'll definitely be mindful of that. Here's what we were able to create. Look at 4th of July, farmhouse fun, easy. That's what I mean. Like when you know your niche and then when you know what is selling well and like the elements that we know to sell well, there's an easy win in my opinion. Jump on this and start designing and recreating. And again, the reason why this is so great is because if you jump on Etsy right now, look at 4th of July design. Specifically, people will search up elements. Some folks will search up farm truck element. There's not a lot of farm truck elements for 4th of July that has this style, but we can be one of the first ones and few ones to list this. How do we know this is going to sell well? Because this has sold well. We're just taking what has worked in the past. For us, this is selling well right now, but we're taking what's working here and pushing that into a new niche. We're not competing with this, right? We're not going to create another salty soul design. This is already selling. We don't want to compete with them. We want to take what is working well and reimagine that somewhere else because we know the style has worked well. Let's reapply that into a different area, right? But listen, you got to get busy. You got to get busy listing your products. You got to get busy listing your products. You got to get busy selling on Etsy. And you have to also have a strategy. If you don't have any direction, then it's very hard for you to drive traffic if you don't have direction, right? This is direction. We're focusing on a niche that's coming up in about 30 to 60 days, right? People are going to start having this interest. They already have it now, but it's going to grow. That's direction. Timing is direction, right? So we want to get into this niche now because we want to be early enough to put this into the algorithm so it knows what it is. So that's direction, is timing. 2, we overlay this with a style that we know to work well. All right, so that's design direction. We're looking at current styles that have made sales in the past, currently right now, right? And we are positioning that forward into the new niche, right? But also scarcity. How many of these products are actually on Etsy? Now, if there were hundreds of these products, I wouldn't do this because there's already something like it, right? I don't want to be a carbon copy of what's already there. I want to be the first one or the few ones to have this so that I can be just like this product is in demand, just like this product is in demand. So easy win. in my humble opinion. Thank you so much for joining me. Get busy, start creating. Now's the perfect time to start listing. And I can't wait to see your growth. I can't wait to see you inside of the membership for you all who are ready to take that next step and start truly making income online with Etsy. My name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.